This is just a quick installation video for these BackBeat Pro 2 replacement ear pads. The installation video shows the old ones being taken off with a spudger, and I don't have a spudger, so I just want to see if I can take care of this without a spudger. No tools, just the replacement ear pads themselves. So these are the best headphones I have ever owned, and I found that I accidentally left them behind when I was taking a flight recently, and I was devastated I wasn't going to have them on the trip. So I bought a new pair of headphones at the airport, and I figured it was time. These are starting to get a bit janky, but I found that the noise cancellation on the new, pretty expensive headphones that I bought at the airport was not nearly as good as these. So I went to look to see if I could find replacement ear pads, and sure enough I did. So all right, on the video they show a spudger being used, but no, I'm just doing this with my thumb. Easy peasy. Very pleased. You can look at this, look at all this stuff. Not good. That's been being left behind on my ears the last few times I've worn them. That was easy peasy. All right, here are the replacements. Covered over the barcode. Doesn't cause any issues. And you can see the color is a perfect match, so that's awesome. I'll make sure I put these on the correct ears. Should have paid a little bit more attention to that. There's somewhere where it shows. It has to be like this, right? Because you want to turn them in like that. Okay. All right, cool. So that makes this guy the right. All right. No spudger. We can do this. Oh, we see there's a little slot on each and a slot on the pad also. Click, click. Click, click. Click, 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 and they're perfect. Back in business. I'm so pleased.